Welcome. If you've been wondering how to delete notifications on the Pinterest app on your PC, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to clear those notifications quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC. This works whether you're using the app downloaded from the Microsoft Store or accessing Pinterest through your browser with app-like functionality. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll see several options there. Click on the one labeled Updates. This is where all your recent notifications or activity updates live. Now, inside the Updates section, scroll through until you find the specific update or notification that you want to delete. Maybe it's something old, or a notification you no longer need cluttering your feed. Once you spot it, direct your attention to the right side of that update. You'll notice 3 small dots stacked vertically. This is your More Options button. Click on those 3 dots and a small menu will pop up. One of the choices you'll see here is Delete Update. Go ahead and click on that. Pinterest will likely ask for a quick confirmation, making sure you really want to remove this notification. Confirm your choice, and just like that, the notification is removed from your Updates feed. This process is very straightforward, but can be easy to overlook if you're new to Pinterest's recent updates or if the interface has changed slightly with new versions. Keeping your notification list tidy helps you stay organized and focused on the pins and boards that matter most to you. Plus, it ensures that your Pinterest experience stays fresh and relevant. So, to recap quickly, open the Pinterest app on your PC, click Updates in the left menu. Find the notification you want to delete. Click the 3 dots next to it, then select Delete Update and confirm. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.